Hey, it's Greta from Attention Insight. In today's video, we will look at two poster ads and we'll compare their performance. These are two poster ads from IBM, American multinational technology company. The posters address social issues. One of them talks about education in rural areas and has a headline saying, "Any child can access a first-class education," and a subheading explaining how IBM has helped rural schools access the same lessons as high-profile schools. The poster image illustrates the statements. The fountain pen signifies the rural schools, while the USB plug that is subtly incorporated into the image represents a modern first-class education. Let's generate a heat map. The heat map recognizes the headline and the plug as the objects that get the most viewers' attention. Let's go to the Attention Insight website. Let's see how much percentage the headline gets. It's 58%, and the USB plug gets 13%. The second poster talks about loans in India. The headline states, "In India, tiny loans can make an even bigger difference," while the subheading explains how IBM helped an Indian microfinance organization increase the number of their customers. The image in the poster is an elephant and a mouse hidden in the elephant, where the mouse represents the tiny loans and the elephant a big difference. Let's generate a heat map. The heat map shows that the most viewers' attention goes to the elephant's head and the headline, while the mouse, that is a negative space in between the elephant's legs, get no viewers' attention. In the system, the headline gets 27%, while the elephant's head and the mouse get 51% and 2% respectively. We can see it two ways. Either the first poster ad serves its purpose better, as the small object, which is as important as the rest of the image, stands out, or the second one does, as the bigger object stands out and the smaller one is hidden to hyperbolize the big and to diminish the small. In this case, it depends on your own interpretation and your purpose for your design. Thank you for watching and see you in my next videos.